Alright guys, let me talk about bubble sort in this video. So let me start with method coding. Static void bubble string, and inside that let me make a string variable. Then after we need two for loop, I equals 0, I less than str.length, then I plus plus. Okay, after this we need another for loop, I and j equals 0, j less than string length, and j plus plus. Now when we have outer for loop and the inner for loop, the outer for loop is for running the inner for loop, and the inner for loop here is there to compare and swipe. Okay, so for that compare and swipe purpose we need one string which is temporary. Then now we can start comparing the index. Okay, if str index I compare to, because this is string, right? So compare to with what? Str index j, and if that is less than 0, okay, then now start swapping. So swapping, let's start with temporary variables, and that temporary variable is assigned with string I index, and string I index at this time becomes free. So string I index is given to string j index, and then string j index is given to temp again, back to its previous position. So in this case, let me try to make one string array g. Let's make it b here, m here, and then z here. Okay, now we have this string. Now let's call this bubble string method and check it, and then try to find out if it can sort the array. Okay, to check if it is sorted or not. Let us print it now. S, this S comes from here. Okay, and then a little bit of extra space to make it understand, and let me print it in a row. Okay, so A, B, C, G, M, J. Okay, so this is working. Okay, so now what you have to do, for example, you want to change something. Okay, you want to change something, array index 5. In the array index 5 you want to add something else. Okay, you want to add bb. Okay, what happens? Let's run it. So bb is going at last. Why is not sorted? Because this sorting algorithm is not called after this. Let us call here 2. So let us check. So bb is there, right? Now what is the problem again? The problem here, that should come a, right? So the two sorting. Okay, so if it is, there's a space here. Look at there, there's a space. Okay, because of space it is not sorting. Now look at this one, A, B, 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 C, G, M. Okay, So that's how the bubble sort works. So thank you for watching.